Hello YouTube, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. I've got a couple of unboxings today. I'm not sure what one is, but I have an idea of what this one is on the top. So let's dive in without further ado. I've been looking forward to getting this because I'm in need of some journal covers for the upcoming 2022 year. And I want to get an A5 cover, but I'm kind of torn about getting a leather cover because they're so heavy. And when you're traveling, it's good to travel as light as possible. I love leather covers, but I'm also leery of them when it comes to trying to take them with you. Great if they're staying at home. Oh, let's see what I've got in here. Oh, wow, this is really pretty. They sent me The Journey is the Destination. That's a freebie. Oh, that's beautiful. Thank you so much, Bankuhin. All right, so this is very well packaged. So I'm going to really quickly capture a photo. I just wanted to capture this photo because it's really well packaged, as everything always is when you get stuff from Bankuhin. So this will have my receipt in it. I love how they origami this, and then they have the We Believe and the Analog Tribe sticker. I'm going to try to keep this as well. My arm of my camera mount is just full of little stickers that I want to keep a hold of, and things that I can repurpose and not waste. So let's see if I can even capture and get this in. I might not, so I might have to, oh, it's lifting, fiddle with this camera, but I think I can actually get this and add that to my journal as a Happy Mail posting. These are usually out of stock before I can ever order them, so I'm really excited to be able to get one of these. I bought this at a holiday sale, and it's just been waiting for me to open, which I'm very happy to do so. Oh, so for the next year, 2022, I've got a A5 Khalid book, which I want to try because, as we all know, Tomo River paper, for those in the journaling community who are obsessed with Tomo River paper, know that it's going to go away. So I'm just trying to look for some alternatives. So I do want to try this one out. It's just got a very narrow grid system, but that should work. So this will act as a supplement to my A5. And then the piece de resistance is the Bankuhin cover. And this is really quite nice. And this is a A5 size. And I don't have an A5. Oh, yes, I do. Currently, I'm writing in longhand in my, to zoom this up a little bit. I'm writing longhand journal in my Galen leather. This is extremely heavy. This is what I'm talking about. I love leather. This has to stay home with me when I'm traveling because it's just too much. But I have the old Hobonichi A5 book in here, which I will use as my test for this one. But I'm hoping that it will work on every other A5 cover, and I'm going to just pull out my pencil board and any loose papers that might shake out of this really quick. Okay, so this is a A5 Hobonichi, and this is what I'm hoping to replace, one that I can take with me if I'm out and about or traveling. It's really pretty. These are a bone Bankuhin exclusive with superior labor, and these covers are constantly going out of stock, so I was really happy to get my hands on this one. This one is the, I can't remember what this one is, but it's just like the all black one. So Let's just put this in here and see how this works. And I have my Hobonichi cover on cover that I've had for years. That may not allow it to slip in. Let's see if I can just do this way. Yep, it squeezes. It squeezes in. Excellent. I love that. Much lighter. Let me just zoom out. You can see all this stuff around me. So yeah, that makes me really, really happy to know that I can actually take this with me. I think I can. Sorry about that, camera. Squeeze this in on this end. There we go. Yep. Oops. Thought I got the plane ticket out there. So that's it. Oh, it's absolutely perfect. I do like how this is canvas, so it's going to be like water, a little bit water resistant. And I like that it has the pocket over here. So I'm really stoked actually. Actually very stoked about this. I didn't know if I was going to like it or not, but I absolutely love it, and it's a nice alternative to leather. All right, so that's it. It's just my initial thoughts. I'm not going to pack it up or do anything else with the cover and put stuff in. I'll probably stick stickers and stuff in. But that's it. That's my initial impressions. I love it. If you can get your hands on it, I will put the link below for the color that I got and Bonkuchen. But this is, like I said, in collaboration with Superior Labor. And that's it. Thank you for stopping by. If you like the content of this video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. It really does help my channel out. Hit the subscribe button so that you know when I'm going to release other editions. And thanks a lot for stopping by. Take care. Bye.